Test 1 2 3爆肉！
新年快乐！太棒了！今天我们要做什么呢？我们就是要来写春联。欢迎我的同事们 ，Katie、Bee、Naoto，还有威，我们就开始写春联吧，耶！所以呢，我们今天非常不专业的准备了黑色亚克力颜料，还有金色的颜料。
Thank you. Must be diagonal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if that is a single word.
Oh, it should be diagonal. Okay.
I like both the letters in the same.
Yeah.
This brush is too big.
Like Chinese because similar to Japanese.
Yeah, I mean it's the same kanji, so.
Yeah. It is
我
not.
也写的太漂
Oh,
亮了
look,
吧！
it's so beautiful.
根本就专业的，我根本就是在搞笑的。
Now I have to do something.
现在威在跟大家炫耀他的美丽的春联，太漂亮了吧！这个要拉近看一
I
下
need to，take out this black.
太厉害了吧！看一下，那 Otto 做了什么事
Hello.
？How's your progress?
It's good.
I'm not following
Is
the
it good?
rules.
It's nice.
Yeah, but it's not
But
in
it's
the
not in the
middle.
middle.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I was going for a little bit bigger, but I ended up like this
Okay.
small. Yeah.
Oh, but it's also nice. It's okay. We have plenty of papers. B, how are you? Oh, it's also good.
I'm good. I think I'm doing quite well. Interesting. It's the first time I'm writing Chinese characters.
Katie, you're
Like the
concentrate.
gold
already
one, yeah.
finished.
Oh,
Take the gold
you're
one.
way too. Oh, it's nice actually.
But when wealth is coming,
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, Abhi, you write really beautiful.
Yeah, good job.
Like that.
哦，这简直可以拿去卖了吧？我们是在搞笑的，其他都是幼稚园儿童。Katie, how do you like this activity?
One of
It's
the
great.
best.
It's team building.
Yes.
Yes, true.
Abhi, how
The
do you like
last
this
time I did this
activity?
choreography.
This is one of the best time of this year of my life, you know.
Oh,
I'm enjoying.
Dude,
I'm adding to my art piece.
哦，他帮他加了外框。
Wealth.
Olivia, you can
Okay,
see.
show me. Nice. This paper is way too big for 2 words.
it's like a welcome.
See my masterpiece?
Together.
Together.
Okay.
Where are you going to put it?
Yeah, maybe in my bathroom. Not bedroom, not bathroom.
Your bathroom.
My bedroom, not bathroom, sorry. You do you know, no judgment.
Great fantasy.
Yeah, I want to get rich this year.
Nice.
Yes.
Say it in
Thank
Chinese.
you for this opportunity. Olivia, you are the best.
No, say this sentence in Chinese.
一级发人吗？逆级发人吗？
Oh.
你好漂亮。
谢谢。我也决定来写招财进宝一个字，
And
这就放在公司的大门口了，
done.
是太厉害了。跟大家说些祝福的话吧。
祝大家在新的一年里
We don't have any tape.
万事如意，身体健康，和和美美，阖家欢乐。
阖家欢乐，对。You say something in Vietnamese like wish everyone Happy New Year or something.
Chúc mừng năm mới, chúc mọi người bình an, cung hỷ phát tài.
恭喜发财耶
Yes.
Sounds like Cantonese.
Yeah.
There's a CEO spirit, rich spirit.
So rich.
Ready.
Can you show the camera? How do you like this event? Oh, nice. You can put it in front of your office. Yay. Thank you. Thank you for being in my video. Danke.
I want to start with 2.
Kathrina is really concentrated.
I know it is.
Today she make her hair curly, especially for Chinese New Year.
Your face.
Nice.
Yay, Kathrina. What do you like this event?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yes.
Happy New Year, Chinese. Oh, the wrong way, right?
You can do it
Everything is
again.
perfect.
Happy
Happy
Chinese New Year.
Yes. Snehal even wear red today for us.
Yeah.
Yay! So beautiful. Do you want to say something to this event?
How do you pronounce this?
Chun.
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 June.
Yes.
June. Happy New Year.
好了，今天的影片就到这里，谢谢你们大家的收看。如果喜欢的话，记得按赞、订阅、分享给你的朋友，可以在下面留言，拜托留一下啦，新年快乐也好。OK， 恭喜发财！